Real estate photography, it's kind of a unique genre. We never know what we're gonna get when we walk into a home. We always try to have a plan in our mind, but there's always variables that are entirely out of our control. A layout issue, a wall color, any number of things that we don't anticipate. That's one of the things I love the most is the actual problem solving. In the simplest terms, real estate photography is about making a set of photos that make somebody want to buy a house. And we do that by capturing the home in its best light. We want to actually show the layout of the home. We want to capture the feel. Because the main floor has such an open concept, we're gonna have to use a visual anchor in the foreground. Orientate the viewer so they know that the dining room now connects to the living room. There's a huge opportunity here to stand out in that market. The corner of this island is way too hot, but what we're gonna do is dial back that light, and then we're gonna add some of that top-down fill light that looks like it's coming through the French doors and from these overhead can lights. Real estate photography on the surface appears very, very easy, but it's actually quite technical. We need to know how to think on our feet because we're only in a home for 90 minutes, usually max. We have to have a strong, solid set of fundamentals that we can lean on. I can't bounce off of anything over here because we have that artwork on the wall and I don't want to pick up any of that red and contaminate the flash. In this tutorial, I'm going to start by talking about the gear that I use. Anybody can use these tools to make a great set of photos. We're shooting with the Canon 5D Mark IV, and I've got the 17-40 wide-angle lens on there. We're going to teach you how to compose and light both interior and exterior photos. I like to shoot more from the ground level. I feel like it makes the home feel a little bit more heroic, and it's how people would normally see it from the street. We're gonna show you my entire post-production workflow, the raw processing in Lightroom, and also the final compositing work that we're gonna do in Photoshop. I want you to use the information in this tutorial to go out there and land that first job. Make a bunch of mistakes and learn from those mistakes. I want you to go out there and become a better photographer, and I think that all the information that you need to do that is in this tutorial.